Top 5 Best Action Cameras. Number 5. YI 4K Action and Sports Camera. Superb image quality. Records 4K, 30 fps, 100 megabits per second, 2.7K, 60 fps, 1080p, 120 fps, 720p, 240 fps video, and 12 MP raw image with built-in Sony IMX377 image sensor and Ambarella dual-core A9SE75. Equipped with advanced video stabilization, EIS, can capture super smooth footage at 2.7K, 60 fps, long battery life. High-capacity rechargeable lithium-ion battery records up to 120 minutes of 4K, 30 fps video with a single charge. High-performing cooling system prevents YI 4K action camera of overheating and enables stable video recording. Intuitive touchscreen UI. Built-in 2.2 inches high-responsive LCD touchscreen with 640 by 360 high-resolution for easy setting, previewing and shooting. Newly released voice command makes shooting even easier than before. Touchscreen is made with Gorilla Glass Retina to resist scratches and daily impact. Instant sharing. Built-in Bluetooth and high-speed 5 GHz per 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi support for wireless remote control and the YI Action app for instant photo and video editing, sharing and live streaming to social media. Advanced features. Always update to the latest firmware, 1.8.25, to enjoy the extra features. Flexible settings of ISO, WB, shutter, EV meter, for 12 MP RAW file help you produce high-quality images even in low-light condition. Multi-record capture modes, including burst, slow motion, time-lapse, etc. Get more creative and fun. Voice control is available with the latest firmware.
Amazon products link check in the description.
Number 4. Black Box Mobius Pro Mini Action Camera. Updated 820 mAh battery. Can be used as a car dash camera. Start-stop recording. Can be mounted for automobile, sports and outdoors. The video format is MOV with H.264 compression codec. Ultra clear 30 fps at 1080p and 60 fps at 720p. 1080p Full HD video and audio recording. WDR, wide dynamic range, lens. Features large FOV with high-quality low-light video recording. Records in loop recording or still images. Motion detection capable. Time-lapse recording capable. Small size that features stunning HD quality found on larger camera models. Number 3. Akaso EK7000 4K Wi-Fi Sports Action Camera. 4K Ultra HD Action Camera. Professional 4K 25 fps and 2.7K 30 fps video with 12 MP photos at up to 30 frames per second for incredible photos, which is 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras. Wireless wrist remote control sports camera. With a wrist 2.4G remote, you can capture the world in an all-new way. Controlling the camera, framing shots or recording video is convenient. Longer battery life. Akaso EK7000 action camera comes with 2 rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries. Each battery can record up to 90 minutes. No more worry about the recording time for this action camera. Built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI. Edit and share your action in minutes. Just download app, iSmart TV, on your phone or tablet and connect with this action camera. Wi-Fi signal ranges up to 10 meters. 100 feet waterproof camera. Akaso EK7000 is designed to withstand extreme environments, together with durable waterproof case. With the accessories, transform it for indoor and outdoor activities. Number 2. GoPro Hero Plus. Hero Plus captures immersive 1080p 60 video and 8MP photos and features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for connecting to the GoPro app and smart remote. The GoPro app lets you control your camera remotely, preview shots, play back content and create short video clips for easy sharing. Waterproof to 131/40 and packed with user-friendly camera modes, Hero Plus is the perfect entry-level GoPro for those who want high-quality capture and on-the-go connectivity. Record-stunning, immersive 1080p 60 and 720p 60 video. Captures 8MP single, time-lapse and burst photos up to 5 FPS. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enables connectivity to the GoPro app or smart remote to adjust modes and settings. Control the camera remotely and view and share your content. Durable and waterproof to 131/40, designed to withstand extreme environments and conditions. Number 1. GoPro HERO6 Black Waterproof Digital Action Camera. HERO6 Black automatically sends your footage to your phone where the app turns it into a quick story and awesome edited video. With 4K 60 and 1080p 240 video, HERO6 Black delivers 2x the performance compared to HERO5 Black with an all-new GP1 chip optimized for GoPro capture. HERO6 Black delivers vastly improved image quality. With our most advanced video stabilization yet, HERO6 Black captures super smooth footage. Whether it's handheld or mounted to your gear, HERO6 Black is waterproof to 33 feet, 10 without a housing. Now featuring touch zoom and an updated UI, the 2-inch display makes it easy to frame shots, change settings and play back footage. Featuring 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can copy photos and videos over to your phone 3x faster than with HERO5 Black. Note: low or high temperature conditions may temporarily shorten the battery life or cause the camera to temporarily stop working properly.